guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be playing Pilot Training Flight Simulator, and yeah, I will be in a Emirates 777 to Greater Rockford. So yeah, let's get into the takeoff and flight without any dramas. Oh, so there's a plane above us? Oh, it's that guy who showed off that plane. Ha. He even claimed he was the first one. I did it way before him. And now let's take off. Wait. Okay, whatever. I'm hungry. Gear up. My head does not hurt. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Sorry guys, that's just how you did that. Okay. So it's one. Oh no. Wait, what? So double. Honestly, there are a lot of people at Greater Rockford. What is this? Is there like an ATC? Wait. Is there an ATC at Rockford? Is there an ATC at Greater Rockford? Because there are so many planes there. No. Then what is everyone doing? Greater Rockford is suddenly the most popular one ever. Why so much? Then so much. Then why so much planes? That's true. Why are there so much planes there then? We will turn on cruising mode when we are a bit... Oh yeah, cruising. Wait. There is no cruising mode on the Boeing 777. We're moving. No, we're not. I love this. We're cruising now. And now we're not cruising. Oh, I should probably start descending now. Gee, I got bombed by the... Are they... Wait. Is this... suddenly... Is this suddenly World War II? Is this suddenly World War II? Okay. Okay, I believe I'm above Greater Rockford. Drinks coffee. Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no. Okay, so we're descending. What a great thing to do. Taking 747 help. What are you doing? So there's a plane right beneath me, I guess. So I just have to turn to Greater Rockford. Oh, great. I believe we're gonna have to descend more. Wait, first it was so popular and now it's not. Where is everyone? I thought coming here was a great idea because there were more people online, but no, there are not much people. There's a 6-hour or something. Okay. Good luck on finding. I saw the tiny chicken. I did not actually get any tiny chickens. I don't want to tell you that. Oh, we're too fast. We're too fast. We're too fast, aren't we? We're too fast. We're too fast. We're too fast. Anyways, a 180-degree sharp turn. Let's continue our descent. Oh no, I have a bad feeling about this. Gear down.
400, 300.
This is gonna be a bad attempt to land. But here we go. I'm attempting it anyways, because why not?
100, 50, 40,
Let's try butter this boy.
10.
Rate my landing from 1 to 10. Okay, so you should be good to taxi into the venue. Oh, what am I doing? I was at 100 knots, whatever. Too late now, I guess. But yeah, let's just head to the terminals now, so we have nothing left to do. If I was a pilot in real life, I would be fired. Just fired from the job. And that crosswind sort of ruined my butter. The wind is crazy. Okay, guess what? I don't care. There. So now anyone can go into my plane without having to mind anything. So how do I get up exactly? Oh yeah. Gas, gas, gas. So that's how I get in. Wait, is this just a prank? Oh. How did I not freaking see it? No, this better be a prank. I can't even see anything. Oh, there's my plane. I better catch it. Sorry for the laggy clip, guys. Really, really sorry. But hey, Greater Rockford is kind of good. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, maybe. Wow. Detailed cabin. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.